So one of the unique things about Boss is that it creates a chain of prioritization and delegation, execution and accountability from the leadership, from the C-suite, all the way down to the employees that are working day to day in the business. And it does it without having you micromanaging people. So it's a system that has accountability, which includes numbers going up and down the ladder of people inside of the business. For example, if you have functional areas align with the valuation drivers. Valuation drivers are what increase the value of a business. So as an example, sales and marketing is growth, and the valuation driver there is growth. And shared services, which is like operations, is margin, which is the margin, the next valuation in the stack. Service is retention. You have growth, margin, retention. Now underneath that, you have layers of different leading and lagging KPIs that shape the accountability and produce the outcome desired without micromanaging and making sure that everybody has the ability to run their own part of the business, but underneath the guidelines of the overall business. So I hope this is helpful.